Tesla CEO Elon Musk gave an update on the status of Tesla Semi and how many Tesla Semis they hopefully will be able to build next year and when the volume production and the ramp up will begin. And we're seeing a slight deviation from past plans that would see 50,000 units built in 2024. Anyway, yesterday there was a conference in Austin and Tesla CEO gave an update on Tesla Semi according to Wall Street. Welcome back everyone. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news and electric vehicle news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Tesla Semi volume production will not begin until late 2024. That's the update. This is according to CEO Elon Musk. Previously, Tesla tentatively expected 50,000 units of Tesla semi-electric trucks to be built in 2024, but now it appears production will not begin until late next year. Musk said at a conference in Austin yesterday, according to the Wall Street Journal, that volume production would not begin until the end of 2024. This is a slight deviation from past plans that would see 50,000 Tesla semis built in 2024. But that's not the case. If you remember, Musk said during the Q3 2022 earnings call late last year that semi production would be ramped up through 2023, meaning this year, with volume production beginning in 2024 and 50,000 units built that year. We were all expecting 50,000 Tesla semis in 2024. Here's what he said then. We'll be ramping up semi-production through next year. As I think everyone knows, at this point it takes about a year to ramp up production, so we expect to see significant, we're tentatively aiming for 50,000 units in 2024 for Tesla Semi in North America. And obviously will expand beyond North America, and these would sell. I don't want to say the exact prices, but they're much more than a passenger vehicle, Musk said. This was then. Musk cited battery constraints at the issue holding up semi-production, but Tesla is also in the process of expanding its Nevada production facility to support the manufacturing of the truck. If you remember, I have a report on that, how Tesla is expanding Nevada facility. That's like multi-million-dollar investment. It's like building another gigafactory in Nevada. And this is to lessen the battery strains and constraints for the production of Tesla Semi. The $3.6 billion project, which I talked about then, will support battery and electric semi-truck manufacturing in Nevada. Tesla is boosting production of its vehicles by opening new manufacturing plants, including one in Mexico that is likely to break ground before the end of the year. However, numerous companies have orders for the Semi, including Walmart, Anheuser-Busch, UPS, DHL, and others. Delaying the volume production of Tesla Semi may push back their initial delivery date. The trucks will eventually lead to more sustainable commercial fleets for companies like PepsiCo, which has accepted the first units of the Tesla Semi, and we have been seeing PepsiCo Tesla Semis on the roads already for a long time. Now, I've been reading some comments what people think about this, and I see one commenter under Tesla Radis says, "Here comes the fraudsters. Already see a couple below. These days, any delays to anything brings them out en masse." I mean a few deers, and they point to every other unfinished project or delay and pretend like they can extrapolate it out into a failed company. It is bizarre and ridiculous. Sure, it worked during the Model 3 ramp and the Model X because Tesla was small and didn't have the kind of financial stability they now enjoy. You cannot ignore that Tesla now has a financial footing that makes it almost impossible to lose. Tesla is now making so many products and cars as much as high volume that they literally are out of space to build anything else. Tesla has already broadcast that their plan is to build the Semi in Nevada, and they need to build an entire production line to build the Semi. Instead of rushing into it like they did with the Model 3, they're going to hone the line until it is something they can ramp far easier without having to rebuild build it 3 times. If it leads to some delays, it is a lot better for the company to figure out before the production line is built rather than after. But this is something some people like the ones we see sometimes in the comments, FUD comments, will never understand, because they are unwilling to seize any opportunity to hate the brand and stir up uncertainty. So I think Tesla is doing the right thing, going smart and making sure they're honing everything, every experience they have learned from Model 3 and Model Y production. And also, Tesla's plate is full. They are about to start the production of the Cybertruck. So what do you think about the future of Tesla Semi, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armen Harayan from Tesla. Twitter blogger Sawyer Merritt today has shared a rare video of Pepsi Tesla Semi delivering Pepsi products on what appears to be a California highway, friends. The video quickly went viral, with many people commenting on the sight of the electric truck. In this video, the Pepsi Tesla Semi can be seen driving down a highway with a trailer full of Pepsi products, I assumed, or it may be returning, maybe empty, I don't know. The truck is painted white with the Pepsi logo on the side. The video shows the truck driving past other cars and trucks on the highway. Merritt's tweet has been liked over 4,000 times and retweeted over 300 times. This is going viral. Many people have commented on the video expressing their excitement about seeing the Pepsi Tesla Semi. One user commented, "This is so cool. I can't wait to see more of these trucks on the road." Another user said, "This is a big step for Tesla and Ford, and actually this is a big step for Tesla and for the future of transportation." The Pepsi Tesla Semi is part of a fleet of 100 Tesla Semi that PepsiCo ordered in 2017. The trucks are expected to be used for local and long distance deliveries. PepsiCo is not the only company that has ordered Tesla Semi. Other companies that have placed orders for the trucks include Walmart, FedEx, and JB Hunt. The Tesla Semi is an all-electric truck that has a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. The truck can tow up to 80,000 pounds and has a top speed of 60 miles per hour, from what I understand. Now, the Tesla Semi is expected to start shipping more customers in 2023. Here are some of the important comments that people have made about this video at the Pepsi Semi, Tesla Semi. "This is a big step," says one person, "for Tesla and for the future of transportation." Another one said, "I can't wait to see more of these trucks on the road. This is so cool. I'm excited to see how these trucks perform." Yet another person comments saying, "I'm glad to see the PepsiCo is committed to sustainability." And another person says, "This is a great way of reducing emissions and improve air quality." What I comment is this: what will happen to our jobs if all of these trucks and robots take over? What do you think? Do you have any comments on that? Anyway, the comments on the video show that people are excited about the future of electric transportation. The Pepsi Tesla Semi is a sign that future of transportation is, I think, going to be electric, and I would say solar electric, and it is a welcome step toward a more sustainable future. Let me know your thoughts, friends. What do you think about this video? Tesla Semi real-world sightings show that a cleaner, quieter future is possible for the trucking sector. And when I say Tesla Semi real-world sighting, I mean the Pepsi Tesla Semi, which Pepsi is already using. The Tesla Semi may still be in its initial production, but the units that have been delivered to PepsiCo are already making a strong statement in the world. If anything, these Tesla Semis from PepsiCo emphasize the idea that it is possible to adopt a cleaner, quieter alternative to conventional trucking solutions featuring large, noisy, Class 8 diesel-powered actually semi-trailers today. It is easy to forget that while diesel-powered trucks have been the norm for a very long time, they do come with their own set of inconveniences. In 2021, researchers from the University of Michigan highlighted the issue of noise and air pollution caused by these heavy-duty diesel trucks running through neighborhoods in southwest Detroit. Residents in affected neighborhoods told the media that the presence of large diesel trucks is challenging because they tend to be noisy and their emissions are significant. Some residents also noted that constant sound from the diesel trucks had become a stressor for them. Actually, they are stressors for me when I hear them. Anyway, such issues are directly addressed by vehicles like the Tesla Semi. Being all electric, the Semi is arguably the quietest Class 8 truck on the road today in the world, with most of the vehicle's sound seemingly coming from its wheels. The absence of an exhaust pipe on the Tesla Semi also means that regardless of where the Semi travels, people around it would not need to worry about inhaling harmful substances. Needless to say, the Tesla Semi is a glimpse of cleaner, quieter future for the trucking sector. And thanks to the growing number of Pepsi Tesla Semi fleet, the electric vehicle community can now get a glimpse of what an electric truck-powered future could be like. And I wonder how many other companies have already ordered their Tesla Semis, just like Pepsi did. Social media posts featuring the Class 8 all-electric truck in action, Pepsi Tesla Semi, show that the Semi is indeed a very quiet vehicle, and unlike its diesel-powered counterparts, it would likely not be as much of a nuisance for residents even if it travels through inner city streets. The lack of noise and emissions from the Tesla Semi is only the tip of the iceberg for the Class 8 all-electric truck's inherent advantages. The vehicle is equipped with numerous safety features and driver-centric functions that would likely make the Tesla Semi a great truck to drive, even for drivers who have spent decades operating a conventional diesel similarities. Of course, both drivers and operators have to be open-minded enough to try out the Tesla Semi before the vehicle can truly make a difference. By the way, in one of my older reports about Tesla Semi, some of you guys asked to show a video how Tesla Semi backs to the loading area. I actually emailed Pepsi asking if they can do a video and send it to me, but I haven't heard from them so far. Now, considering the initial reception of the Tesla Semi from Pepsi and the general public so far, it appears that the enthusiasm surrounding all-electric Class 8 trucks is very substantial. This is good news overall, as noted by CEO Elon Musk during the Semi's first delivery event. After all, trucks comprise just 1% of all vehicles on the United States road, but they are responsible, look at this, for 20% of all US vehicle emissions and 36% of all US vehicle particulate emissions. It is then in everyone's best interest to change the status quo. So if within 10 years, let's say, or 15 years, the trucking industry's fleet will change from diesel-powered trucks to electric trucks, electric semi-trucks, we can expect a significant change in our emissions and how significantly the clean air will improve in our cities that we all breathe. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about Tesla Semi and their growing number of usage friends?